Today I'm going to be working on cleaning the axle for the Trans Am. I just want to put new axle bearings in it and clean all the grease and repaint the axle. It's going in my 83 Trans Am. It has stock 323 gears in it. I was going to bother replacing them, but it's not really worth all the money that would cost. One day I'll probably upgrade it to a better axle. Right now the car has a 350 motor. It's out of an 84 Corvette with actually only 8,000 miles on it. I swapped it into here. I gotta finish getting it all hooked up once I get all the drivetrain put back together. I soaked down the top side with some oven cleaner. Try to get the grease to eat away. It's been grease that's built up on there over the last 43 years. So I'm gonna let it soak for 20 minutes and start cleaning it off there. Today I'm starting to get the rust off the axle. I sprayed it down with the Rust-Oleum rust dissolver. I've never tried it before. I sprayed it about 15 minutes ago. I'm letting it soak and I'll see what happens. The only thing I can tell you about it, it smells like shit. It is horrible smelling. But let's see if it actually works good. I got it soaking now. I'm probably going to spray it down a little bit more and see what happens. Yeah, it's been soaking for probably over a half hour. I wire brushed it a little. I just added some more to the opposite side. I can just tell you one thing, it smells horrible. I hope this works. It smells like you stuck your head in a bag of farts is what it smells like, and it's really bad. But if it works, we'll see. I'm gonna let it soak for a while and see if it eats the rest of this rust off here. And I'll wire brush whatever's left. I gotta rinse it down once it's done. Well, here's what it looks like after I washed all the rust soak off of it. Looks pretty good. Got some spots here and there that I have to clean up, but that's about it. Probably just gonna take the wire brush and go over the whole thing now and get all the rest of it knocked off and wipe it down with some paint thinner, and then put some primer on it.